Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line. Bling bling. Bling bling. Bling bling.
Bling line, hello.
Hi Nijani.
Oh, thanks. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, thank you so much.
Zukondima is my name.
Oh, I mind the voice yakho Zukondima.
I can't say I don't hear that often. Who might I have the pleasure of speaking to on the other side of the line?
I want to tell you, my babes.
Okay, miss my babes. Or are you married?
I'm single and ready to mingle.
Oh, fantastic. How can I be of assistance?
Mamela man, ikhona le part endingayiqondiyo man apha kufikile ndawo bling line.
Yes.
Kutheni bling line nina?
Can we quickly try and sum it up, ma'am?
Excuse me.
The problem is it's a very busy call center, my darling.
Gogu, my customership doesn't matter.
It's called consumerism. There's no word such as customership.
Well,
but go on.
No, it's fine. I'm changing my plan.
No. Sorry, ma'am.
You can't be rude to your customers. What the hell's wrong with you?
Ooh, did I beat you?
Have you met
my
people?
Pepsi. Oh, CP Dipangele apa.
And you're here to help me.
Awufuna uncedo bosona ufuna uncoma ivoice thanda namadoda.
Oh, Fonini, have you ever met a yapper?
I have.
And?
They need to keep it short and simple.
Yeah, but that's not going to happen. You suck at this call center job.
Okay,
Let's hope during the year you'll get better.
Tell Philipine Nzama next week, please. Ecela. Ecela.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
That's
good, folks.
Welcome back to Bling Line. I see Chinchanga ke la way yabona ke. We are keeping to continue. In other words, yani mama.
When the callers is cover like
Welcome back to Bling Line, guys. If it's your first time here, welcome. This is a show by you, for you.
100%. Zukondima is my name, and I am your host. This morning, afternoon,
and
evening, depending on what time you're watching this con.
Okay, I'm Talita, and I'm the Michelle of the group. Clearly not Beyonce.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Beyonce. Oh, that's going to be in my head for 2 weeks now. Welcome back, guys. This is Ofunda Gengoku. I always want to say messages. Comments.
Yes, 100%.
But they are kind of like messages. It's not wrong to say messages.
Fair.
Yeah.
But it's just that they're on the apps, comments. But I mean, that was a word created by someone, so Nati, we can do whatever it is that we want to do.
Sure. So, carry on. So this episode, we is from our dad episode.
Yes.
And we never did a Bling Line on our dad episode because of how we had ordered it to come out.
Correct.
Yes.
And I think also the way that it came out as well. So it came out kind of, if I want to say, in stages.
Yes, it did.
And most of you also got a chance to watch it now during December, which is why we also then got a lot of additional comments during the December period because it then came out for everybody to watch.
Yes.
When I say everybody, I mean those that haven't caught on that Spotify launches early. But yeah.
For sure. And it was one of, I think, everybody's favorite episodes as well. So the comments were also super nice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And I think if you haven't watched it, it's up on our YouTube as well as our Spotify. So you can go and watch it. I know a lot of people missed it because they didn't know we were taking it out.
Yes, 100%. So that episode is out. And that's the episode where Talita and I sit with, I mean, we've been told our whole lives he's our dad. So That's what we continue to call it.
I'll cycle for. Imagine if someone has to come to you and say, "Yeah,
oh, it's fine. You'll always be my dad."
Would you try to find your real name?
Whether or not he'll feel the same.
Would you try and find your real
name?
Why not?
Because why hasn't he tried to find me?
He didn't know you existed.
No, I wouldn't. Nah, P. Nah, then it's a guy that I don't even like. Like, we out there weird. No, mates. No. I wouldn't. What would you do?
I mean, I'd be curious to just meet him. Not like extensively, but Buzwa Ubi. They can only ask one person.
La mama notata basa iba esibhedlela. Wabiwe esibhedlela.
Is that something I'm going to know?
Kaloku uzofind out ngoba funa your time yakho ke lo. Central.
Why would I want to stay with abantu abandiba?
Because bakuphethe kahle for more than 40 years. Okay, nangam.
Okay.
Moral of the story, ifanayo isecret ba ungumntu onesecret. Because bazokubuza 40 years later ba wandibelani. Dog, into zakho zihamba blind ngoku and I'm just trying to ease myself of the pain. Now I have to answer for Talita. Would you be able to answer for something that you did when you were 15? No.
If I remembered it, yes. If it was stealing a child at the hospital, yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, so to Tokozani, Mr. Ndima Senior surpasses the correctometer on this one.
Uzugosiniya itime yami yalondele. Mna ndingozugojuniya.
Ungubani?
Utata nguzugosiniya, mna ndingozugojuniya. Nguzugo mna. Itime yena nguzugosiniya. Ndihlale ndisitsho kuye.
I know, he hates that so much. Mr. Ndima Senior surpasses the correctometer on this one. Zuko, you have met your match. Because he's always saying correct.
That's correct.
Yes. I now get where you get most of your traits from. He is you and you are him.
Oh, hectic.
Talisa, my girl, made sure to keep the record clear by bringing back the conversation to somewhat getting your dad's life story. Beautiful to watch. Also, he is a funny orc.
Oh.
Funny tree. Oak tree.
Oak.
And call my dad an oak, bro.
Funny dad. Ikumusa sisemkhonzweni. Enyawo ithi usivalela ngomthandazo sawucela ubrother bali. Kodini andingobrother kuwe ndingutata. Ji, the Christianity salingana Christianity. Hey. Awunatata wena enkonzweni no mama.
No, sister, no brother.
No, nabo mama. Anyway, so yeah, no, look, Tata did do well. Because ndithanda ubuza into zam. And yeah, I do feel like we did get a lot of the life story.
Oh, 100%.
And it was really, really great. You're actually right. That's something that I've never thought about.
What?
That some of the traits that I have is suga time. That's something that I've never thought about.
Really?
Tipikisa kwa lebasa fan. So the other things are happening in the background so subliminally, including the fact that, I mean, it's like nanfani ne time, ifana na time, like things like that.
How, when you're the one who came last?
See. Well,
for sure.
Yeah, but yeah, do you see some similarities?
With who?
With the time, not in terms of how we look.
Yeah.
But some things like what?
After the show.
How I talk, mannerisms.
Kind of.
Really?
Yeah, sense of humor. But
is that something that you can inherit?
If you have the same sense of humor as Tata wako, is that just by chance?
Isn't that due to exposure? Do you think I'd have the same sense of humor if ndikhule ngekho.
Would you have a sense of humor?
If bendikhule ngekho, do you think I'd have the same sense of
No.
That's such a difficult thing. I don't even think I'd have the same sense of humor if igama lam belinguThando.
Why?
I don't know. I just feel like ezinye izinto they're just specific to like the smallest change completely changes a lot of things.
Yeah, for sure. I don't know. I think that into a sense of humor. I mean, my dad is humorous, right?
Yeah.
And I feel like if you had grown up with another dad who wasn't as humorous, you wouldn't be as humorous. What you learned is to be a funny man is cool.
Hectic. That is hectic. Is that I learned.
By observing.
Wild.
But then it also opened yourself up to being like not taking things too seriously, be able to laugh at yourself, blah, blah, blah. Those are all lessons that are happening in the background.
You're blowing my mind right now.
As per Yish, what's new?
Okay. Yeah, all right.
Okay.
Thank you for that. Dolly September 523. Uti, this has to be one of the most entertaining episodes ever. Also, Itaima is Kupa Ngembu Mulondanga. Our learned Moses. Hey, Nina. Nitela nwaqalanga amaxhego khumshayo.
Akhumsha kangaka amaxhego.
Ufandile. And amaxhego abantu abadala bayathanda ukhumsha. If uyayiqaphela lonto leyo. Bayathanda ukhumsha. I wonder why.
Ufoni basifunde bunzima
and I suppose ube forced ke ngapha bathetha iEnglish. Then you learn the English and then you just get used to it, I suppose.
For sure. But also it like there's like a societal thing that it also plays that it puts you in.
No, absolutely.
And I think subconsciously you like being in that societal position.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Also, Nati, do you think that you would take someone? Do you think that you are more prone to take someone more seriously? Depending. Broken English.
Yeah, you know the answer. Right?
That's so sad.
I know.
Yeah. But now I tend to temba more ongathethi broken English, but uthetha English yasencwadini. So English yasencwadini is different from broken English. English yasencwadini is pronunciation based, but all the words are perfect. You understand? Ndithetha ke mna ke ngomntu ongafani nathi because thina asifundanga encwadini English, sifunde ebantwini ngoyiva ithethwa. But abantu abazawuthi that.
So what? That person's more trustworthy to you?
That person knows English better.
Oh.
Or that no berserk. No, that man is berserk. You understand? We funde encwadini in English and they often can't fight grammar. The only thing is if I die by pronunciation.
Yeah, for sure. And that's not a measure of much.
Yeah.
But
also, I guess, language shouldn't be a measure of much.
Yeah, but unfortunately, subconsciously it is.
Society.
Especially in the English, yeah. Because umdu or tete broken English could be 1,000 times smarter than you.
Clean. And sometimes, definitely.
Yeah. Easy.
So, uyafika umdu uthi mtshana andithandi uthetha English. English yami broken, but sentsho siyavana ndithetha isiXhosa.
Komphi umntu like ufuna uba yintoni ebomini bam lo.
Ufuna uba yakho alo.
Akafuni uthetha English. Ndingayithetha mna.
Awonele futhi.
But yena uthi akazuyithetha.
But and xa situation funeka ithethile is broken.
Masiyipractice kaloku sweetie.
Oh, dog, no. I don't need to do that. Bro.
Yes, you do. So people can take you seriously in life.
The people that I need to take me seriously, serious.
Have you met everyone that you need to take seriously? Why don't you want to better your English?
For what? I don't want to give into the system of colonialism.
Sa colonizer sagqitywa for nini?
Okay, kalumnu wam, but guess lapho.
Oh, apple, how many
You're telling the person
You need
love
to
of your
choose.
life in my English. Imagine. Yeah, I'm not so serious.
All right. Thanks, Dolly September.
Siyabulela.
Uthi uliye Mancitha. It was nice hearing umntu wakudala.
Aye. With the nicest comments.
Not talking about suffering.
Right. So refreshing, mate.
There was another side of life apart from apartheid and struggle. There really was that people really do not talk about, right? Which is why it was also like nice hearing it, because you never hear it. You only ever hear about Saspetro Kakbi, but people had lives that kind of happened outside.
And made sense as Azimandi. Xa kukhatshelwa inkomo kusithiwa kupholiwe kungekho bantu babizwa ngamagama thile. And yes, you're right. And a lot of people don't talk about that, and I don't know why.
Well, maybe like they'll talk about it like in the immediate circles, but not about broadcasting it. Yeah.
I guess, because now that I come to think about it, Timer is the only person, but then I suppose it's the only person that I've really had the level of deep conversations that I have with him.
Exactly.
And the only person that we've kind of spoken about that, because I was also Timan and Timer, time. So it makes sense why you don't know a lot of other stories. But it would be interesting to know if any of you have parents who had the same experience at Fun Time. That would be very interesting. Yeah, but you're right. Very refreshing. Yeah, that was very nice. Thank you. Mpumi Moyi uthi utata nozuko ngumcephe ucandiwe. Washa! Digxoza nesofitoli. I would like to meet or see umama.
Here she is.
That's all ngumcephe ocandiweyo nalo.
It's so funny how genetics.
Mom is a lot more graceful.
Have a little brother, they say. It'll be nice, they said.
Wow, yeah, it always amazes me, man, this comment. Mom, none time essential. You love it.
It's crazy how genetics works that way, though, also. Or at least that's the way it worked with us.
Yes, yes. And now I'm dark, njengo timer, when you light, njengo oledi. That's wild. I look like a timer. Kuthiwa ufana no-oledi wena. Do you think ufana no-oledi?
Definitely.
Oh, uyayibona ke lonto le. That's so wild. Because at least ngendifane no-oledi ke.
So that was?
Because, I don't know.
You're a handsome young man.
I mean, asithethe loo nto. Sithetha ngento yoba ndifana nabani.
Mna ndifane ne-timer.
What's wrong with that?
I'm asking you a question.
Hayi phofu no bungazoba mhle.
Why?
Akubabona efondini nami abantwana girls who have cute fathers. Kababa zii-girls ezizalwa zirhorho apha umntu abemhle.
But Dad was cute.
Yile nto ntshoyo. He wasn't cute?
Yes, he was.
He's just a man, bro.
Oh, he's a good-looking man.
Really?
Akuzibona eza photo zakhe nxibeyisi. Iskipa se-Alfa Romeo.
Oh, okay.
No
so in theory, it's not foolproof, I guess.
Not necessarily, no.
That sucks. Umhlengi Zulu uthi, oh, what an episode! ! Times 5. I'm a happy gent. Thoroughly enjoyed this episode. Also, I now understand kengoku why nikumsha nihumsha umhumsho kanokusho. Cause Dad's English absolutely stunning. Ay no brother, masalvera mahumshi. Amazalve ithanda kangaki English. Do you think that also might be a reason why?
What?
Sikumsho?
No.
Okay.
It's because of the schools we went to.
But the schools we went to as funsi English. Accent. I always say, English, it's two things. Kuko English, mandi, there's an English accent.
Okay, fine.
What we learned at school, accent, ne basic grammar.
But at home we spoke Xhosa.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Or at least before we got to grade 1, that's Xhosa. Which is why sisazi.
Correct.
Yeah.
But now kuthethwa ngomhumsho apha.
Which and I'm saying I'm putting it on school.
Yeah, I'm saying not school, bro.
What are you putting it on?
I'm putting my accent on school.
What are you putting your English command of the English language on?
You're not sure about. That's what I was asking. But could it be as a result of exposure?
Exposure to what?
To umuhumsho ka time akalo. Same like the humor story.
Thanks Mhlengi Zulu for that.
I think so. I think Dad speaks more English.
Yeah, he does speak a lot of English.
Ne? So also might be another thing that is happening in the background, unbeknownst to us.
Sure. Uthi usomange. Somanga. Yemapicha.
Somangaye. Somangaye.
Oh, every day.
English.
Somangaye mapicha. Uthi, I watched it with my mom and we enjoyed it so much. She was so interested, especially because naye wayehlala emagaleni. Then after I was born, she did the same thing of taking the leap of faith to moving to the suburbs.
Igama lakho mhlamba ayingongcuphi sipha any chance. Tell wena best friend. Wayisithi like groundiwe.
Groundiwe.
Avele ngefestile ancokole nencuphi. Intombi zase-Gull Town with Let's go.
I wonder why happened to Ncupsi Bawukhona.
Hey, Nona,
please reach out.
Hey, funny. Yeah, no, absolutely. That's so really, really cool. I think it really has a special place for me when you guys watch the show with your parents.
Yeah, me too.
They turned a lot of whether it was the show No Time or just a show that is or just a show that's just me and Talita. But it really has a special place in my heart. Like just the thought of being able to sit and watch something with your parents.
Yeah, for sure. We don't do that often.
That's why.
Yeah.
Just to sit and watch something with your parent, I think is a very, very, very special, underrated thing that you can find interest in the same thing.
What have you watched with Dad?
50-50.
Oh, 50.
Nature shows. I've watched with Dad. Never watched a movie with Dad.
I've watched sport with him.
Oh, yeah. Sport as well.
I watched the Olympics with him. That was fun.
Oh, yeah. Cricket. We used to watch cricket growing
Boxing, waking up at 3 a.m.
Yes. Yeah. Fair. But no, like, shows.
No, because he doesn't watch shows.
Absolutely.
Give him 5 minutes. He's
sermons.
Out the door.
I've also watched sermons
of
with him.
Of course. Because he's so mangaye.
No, shout out.
Sorry for ruining
to
your
you
name.
and mommy. Ucobisa Mashishi Uti. Oh, what a beautiful episode. Your father is everything. My father and I aren't close due to his choices in life, but this has inspired me to want to get to know him as a person. That's great. And not the guilt-ridden individual he is now. Ah, man.
That's gorgeous.
Yo.
Because abazali ngabantu also.
Hey! Lena ngihlala ndiyithetha bafaneni ngumntu lowa.
Suthi ndingumntu.
Awungomntu mem.
Yeah, and they also first time things like parenting.
Hey, fair too.
And umntu wamosha.
Oh, guys. And also just like we do, they also as being human beings have things that they need to work on and it's yeah, man, guys, man. Hey, I think in the grace, man, extend up beyond ourselves. Firstly, we don't know how to extend grace to ourselves, and that's why we aren't able to extend grace to other people. But yeah, man, yeah, it's very touching, this comment, and I hope you've had a chance to maybe give it a bash or see it through different eyes. And I think you definitely may have something to gain out of it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Because no one's all bad.
Yeah, no, shout out for that. Yeah, we really appreciate your comment, man, and sharing that with us.
Uti Auntie Litabo, I love how Dad gave Usis T space and a chance to open up and like forcing her to go to school and her continue being bullied. Oh, what a dad he was or is indeed a present dad. You know what? That for me, like, that story I didn't know until like how it all started until he told it, right?
Oh.
And I was like, how do you know to do that? If you've never had to do it before.
Yeah.
If it's like your first time dealing with Indong Ayazi also because he didn't know what it was. He just knew that I liked school and I didn't want to go. That's all he knew.
Yeah. Of which ke awuhleli fundini.
I guess when you're present and
you can do the maths, you know what I mean? But
ikhona
into wrong. Even though I guess into bullying maybe. But also in the bullying, I think ayona ndindala.
Yeah, for sure.
In the world.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So
David,
I think if you are
Goliath.
Yeah, Man, Goliath gets close.
Goliath. Why are you asking me this? Oh.
Yaphela lonto leyo.
Hey.
Ngokuba uRobert kubani ngesixhosa? uRobert? No.
Akekho uRobert. Umaropi.
That's so funny. Also, I don't know why Goliath. I was laughing at it in my head before you said it. I was like, it sounds like such a funny word, Goliath. Yeah, I know. And I think so. To your point, Auntie Litabo, it's being present. When you can notice these things, you think about them. These aren't things that are just happening in passing. These are things that you're sitting and you're noticing.
For sure.
Each and every day.
Because yamazi umntana wakho also.
Yes,
you know, which requires
absolutely
being present as well.
And ezinye izinto maybe ziyaphosakala because umuntu engamazi umntana.
Oh, 100%, yeah.
Uyakwazi uziphosa zandibona ba ay man ayinguye man. Surely khona apho zichakhona.
Yeah.
Oof. Yeah. Like a keen observation, and I think that keen observation, I mean, saved your school life, bro.
Literally.
Who knows if that had continued by how you
exactly.
Wild. That's too wild.
When somebody rob abantu in high school.
Imagine. It's bizarre way. I'm not landing a problem.
For sure. Or I've turned into the bully.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah,
Thanks,
very keen
Uncle
observation. Nonkosazana Nyamakazi uthi, yo, this is rich. Ayiko indo that is more than your parents' love. Wati, you guys are enough. Eva. Huh?
That's a lot.
Yeah, bro. And this was also kind of in response partly to the things that imizulwana
yes, he was like, y'all are here, we're good. That's crazy to hear that, like, someone thinks of you that way.
It's poorly.
Yeah, it's like bigger than my mind.
No expectations.
Yeah.
Of which there's so many expectations from parents which are uncommunicated, you know. But in a situation where it comes out as communicated as is with the iPhone in Central, it's grand.
I can only imagine how a parent feels like when they've kind of done everything right and then
I think that also has a lot to do with the parent also needs to do what they feel is enough.
For sure. And if you have done what you felt is enough, but it still has failed, that's crazy news.
I tricky because it's easy to sit here and say, then you've done enough.
Oh.
That's tricky.
Yeah, because
that's
ultimately many choices wasn't.
And this is the whole thing, ba. Ababandu bane choices and bayazenza outside of anything that you could
You've
have done.
Yeah.
Because ukhona umntu oselayo because itime yakhe isela. Ukhona umntu ongaseliyo because itime yakhe isela.
Yeah. For sure.
So, and that speaks to the choice of it all.
For sure. And I think the best...
Hey, but it's hard.
Yeah, for sure. But I think the best... I mean, I might say the wrong thing, but the best kind of parenting is uxhobisa umntana wakho.
And then over to you, baby.
And then over to you.
Umthandazele, naye. Hey, but umntana wakho man, makenze right man. Oh, guys.
Oh, wow.
Akho nto ndiqhubekisa nyhani mna njengale ile situation uyithetha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're just like, for nini?
Funeka uzothatha uMr Muloto ngoku.
Because awuva.
Yo.
Uziphethe kabi.
Morning. How are you? Hey.
All right.
Yeah.
Ngosizana.
Sure.
Uthi uNancy Bidla. This is without a doubt my favorite episode. Also, I'm so grateful that you have the opportunity to sit with Utata ngelo hlobo. I would give an arm and a leg to have such a convo with my father. Oh, I love this so much. Also, I love the way Utata keeps saying man and correct.
Correct.
Oh, Betuna. Yamnandile episode feels like we're all in the lounge together.
Oh.
Ngosi siblings.
Oh, man. Ah, that is excellent, bro.
It's crazy. You know, I think we take for granted, like, how different other people's relationships with their parents are.
Sure.
I mean, because we only have one set of parents and we know what our relationship is with them. And I feel like we've had a good go.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when abanye abantu who maybe did not grow up with a father or the relationship is bad or whatever, when they see what it could look like, iyabachugumisa, you know?
No, absolutely. And others who maybe don't even have the opportunity to be able to do that anymore, you know? It's definitely something that would tug at your heartstrings in a big way.
Yeah.
And yeah, man, I just love how you guys just, like share, bro. The things that you share. Men?
That's exactly how it is.
Man, it's not easy. But yeah, man, jeez. Yeah, no, man, the episode felt like we were sitting in the lounge.
For sure.
Yeah, it felt like we were sitting in the lounge. It's getting at me, bro.
Why?
Yeah, it's getting at me. I don't know, bro. It brings a warm feeling to my chest, man.
Nice. We're super grateful for the opportunity as well.
Thanks, Nance.
Thanks, Nancy.
Much appreciated. Mpho Kagisho. What an episode. Oh, Ndandendima, guys. So much wisdom. So calm. Thoroughly enjoyed this. This made me so emotional because some of us, if not most, will leave this world without ever experiencing this kind of love, this kind of relationship. Love it so much for you, Zuko and T. Happy New Year, Beitong. I'm looking forward to this year's conversations and laughter. Oh, you guys can make me laugh.
Happy New Year to you too, Mpo.
And at least after that episode, you know where we get it from.
100%.
I still maintain, I think Dad is the funniest person that I know.
That you know?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, but because you've had like 40 years of
no, but equality a joke. Ikona equality, ne? But una quality. And you're just like, bro, this is funny. Also, how did you even think of that?
For sure.
Or how did that even happen to you? Also, what is this choice of words? Like, so many things come together.
Yeah.
Do you think if Sasko going to stand up one time I was going to... No.
He was never doing
I don't know how I think.
But everyone would be like, oh, boy, it's a funny... They'd be like, oh, I can't in the again.
Maybe it's getting you. Maybe it's getting you.
Hey, wait.
Also, at
the ripe age of 80. It's never too late to start something new.
What do you think? what do you think, like, that generation thinks of comedians? Carry yam.
Hayi wabe ututsha.
You see, kwa elo gama ututsha. So, hey,
You don't look tutsha in English.
Huh?
What's tutsha in English?
You act a fool.
Literally. I think that's what it is, to act the fool.
Dance is tuch. Hey, what am I?
How could you say that about yourself? Have some self-respect.
When dance is tuch. I was at a wedding this weekend. And I don't know, I was looking the other way, and then there was this mother and this kid behind me. I'm not your friend. Come on, man, I stooch, baby girl.
You need to be reminded, Masizo Chomi. Yes, I approach you as my +1, but this is what Chomi. Ayanda Judith. Oh, nguzuko the senior in B.
Yayiva!
Ndiyamthanda uDlamini. Andimthandi nina.
Oh, Tando Gufa.
What an intelligent man and father. Better listen attentively when he says, remember, because he's about to drop wise gems.
Clean. And sometimes I don't remember,
You find your life. Most of the time, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's incredible. Yeah, no, absolutely. Oh, some Tando Gufa.
Love.
You know what it is.
Thank you, Ayanda.
Awodwa Sanelise Nsonge uthi sabaweli to be kissed. Akayifunde. Efunde okwakho fe.
Sabawell to be kissed until matric by my father. I ain't got AI, guys, look. This is so rich.
Babe, rule. Yay.
I still can't believe I've never witnessed it. Also, where was I the whole time? Guys were kissing in secret.
When I got Elu Puzwa, ne?
I don't even remember Puzwa.
Oh, really?
No. Let's move on. Thanks, Awodwa.
Also, lovely low udlulile matric sesithi ubawela ukuba still matric. Wow, matriculator. Sihle Sixaso uthi, one of my favorite episodes. My heart is so warm and fuzzy right now. I'm so happy for you all as well that you have this conversation documented, bro.
No, same.
Also, old people and men reminds me so much of my granddad. The quiet moment after he said, make sure the policies are up to date. Hate when parents speak of death so honestly. Utata is such a present dad, Sana, and judging from his upbringing, it makes sense. That story, Senok, reminded me of Lando Kazuko, but as a man, Ulitem. I just need to say, Utata has such great humor. I've been laughing so hard.
Oh,
yeah, what a rock star, man. And I don't even think he was being funny on that episode.
No, he really wasn't.
I wish yo guys, I wish ningahlala naye time of it. Nothing. Then I really like a secret camera.
Because it's my book. I saw editors edit them out.
Yeah, I know.
Thank you, Sihle, for that. What's Masandi Ptiwani. Masande Eptiwani. Sabaweli. Itin. Tin.
Mass and Iptiwani.
Ah, Sukodima.
Okay. Mason Diptiwani.
Guess we'll never know. Sabaweli, a car for 150 Rand. I can't imagine what the older generation is feeling towards the acceleration of inflation in our country. Can you imagine having access to a car for 150 Rand and now You cannot buy a decent one for less than 150,000 rand. And their cars had better than what we are, or better than what we are getting now.
Absolutely.
This would send me to an early grave.
Yo, imagine. Ubanyani for umntu ozalwe ngo-1946.
Wathenga imoto ye-150 rand.
Uthini these days? Isonga sasiyimalini? Igrocery yayimalini? Ngoku ungene ubulisa uphume nepacket eyi-1 isithi 800, ibag eyi-1.
We can't think like that, otherwise we'll go crazy.
Yo! Singaraka. Bekuselaphi ke ngoku umuntu wakudala nyani ke ngoku xa enovuka ngoku. Umuntu wasweleka engekabikho nemoto. Oh, noma ngawa. Masan.
Awusamazi ngokutshomi yakho.
So la mntu make a previous comment, if dad can give a master class into parenting. I like his parenting style and how he sees things, perspective. He's a super dad and it doesn't stop. It's beautiful to watch. And the emphasis that you have to be intentional about being a present parent, you have to learn what kind of people your kids imagine. Your kids are people. You have to learn what kind of people your kids are by affording them the chance to articulate how they feel. It's a continuous process of learning. And his interest in giving children the platform to be heard, allowing them to disagree with you and the lessons there, it also affects how confident one can be to speak in a room full of people.
The Sabbath school.
Yes. Also, I so wish I can do this with my mom, but she's not an open person and can be dishonest. I'd love to hear about her life experience with her father, mother, and siblings. She had 2 brothers who passed away when we were quite young.
And I don't remember them. That's what.
Okay.
Yeah.
The rest of the commentary.
Yeah.
Chance kunzima uba umzali. Oh, kunzima uba umzali. Hayi, yeah, understand that le nto ungengomzali.
Hayibe!
Wayibona kudala le but actually ayivelanga le.
It's a lot, man. You have to be present the whole time. You can't switch off.
Nzima umzali. Because you must also funeka uphinde ube ngumntu.
Because that's one role in itself.
Also if ukhule nabazali bakho ukhule ubona ba umzali le nto ngumntu ongaphikiswayo and you have to unlearn that.
Yes, in order to make it better for your kids. But that's if you think of it that way. That's if you think of it at all.
Yo guys, umthandazo wami kuba ke uYesu angangena ezinhlizweni zethu nesezinhlizweni zabazali bethu mana zithambise. So that we can be more understanding and as well as them. And I think that just might go a long way because, hey man, it's difficult, man. It's really difficult.
Yeah.
That's what I get out of it.
When you're literally creating the life for someone to, like, you're creating...
That's enough to make you freak out.
Yeah,
also.
dog. You're creating a foundation for someone's life.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
That's enough
what a responsibility.
To make you wanna plats.
Kaplaks.
Yeah.
Well, that's the end of the story.
Yeah, well.
Oh, Masande, do we have you again? Oh, God, no. Let's do the last one. Masande again. Masande, is this your episode? I can't believe I just watched
Hi, Sana,
I can't believe I just watched 2 hours of talking. Lapo, I'm at work, laughing out loud in a room full of colleagues. Thank you, fam, Masande.
Oh, so that was 2 hours?
Yes, it was. It actually was.
Super cool.
Mama, I was begging, or else I'm saying,
that's okay. Yeah, yeah, go by the cell. Hi, Talita.
I didn't recognize this was happening.
No, Umasande, ne? Where's the mele? Over comment So now you screenshot the comments, not knowing that it was them. Umasande, Closer Dads will speak English, okay? Lapo, our moms will never fail.
I wonder why.
Abakwazi ukumsho mama.
Hayi Zuko. I wonder why that is.
That's actually so true.
Yeah,
and moms are always the ones that are pushing the kids to speak closer.
Mother
Your
tongue.
mother tongue. Moms are...
What? You only get that now. Welcome.
Oh, miss me, bro.
Sleeping, bro. Sleeping.
That's actually quite...
I wonder what
accurate.
the psychology of that is actually.
That's
Because I think it's like something that we can all attest to.
I think so, guys. I think so. Hey, funny. That's a very keen observation. I'm glad you got screwed about 4 times on today's episode.
Let's hope the next one is not you again. Thanks, Masande. Utu Joyce Khweklana. I think this might be my favorite episode. Love y'all's relationship with your dad. You are truly blessed.
And highly favored.
We
Absolutely.
really, really are.
Yeah,
Thank you,
yeah,
Joyce. We really are. We really, really, really are.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
Hey, bro. Yeah.
So
I'm
something
so
we
glad
think
we
about
did that,
often.
man.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Thank you for that.
Mm.
Lynn Buyazi, with you. Oh, how blessed are you guys to have utata onithandayo. Imvela kancane,
Mm-hmm.
Imvela kancane. The gentle parenting. And many of us would kill to have that with our parents. Present dads are the future in. No, absolutely. I think
And by present, it's not like
dads are the
you're
past,
there.
though.
No. Because you can be there. That doesn't make you a present dad.
In my English, being there doesn't make you present.
Uphaya, ufika emsebenzini, ufunda i-newspaper, ubukela indaba, uyatya, uyolala. Are you a present dad?
No,
Uyoyikwa.
you know, you are a dad that's there. Can be there, but that. Oh, word of the day.
You can
Being
be
there doesn't mean
make
you are present.
son.
Yo, I will zap to that.
Zip.
Yeah, no.
Not a chance. Masande.
Talita, sithi Masande ngongathi uMasande uzifakile ngokwakhe.
Uzifakile. Okay. This is the last one from you, Masande. Thank you so much.
Asiphile sizifunde comments
This is our
zakho
so
ngonyaka
delete
wonke.
actually. Hey, so true. I feel like I would have been a lot different and my upbringing would have been different had my dad been present. But also, knowing my dad, I'm glad he wasn't present in my life. We would be better people as a society if all men were like Utatundima. He really has set a standard for what a dad should be like. You are very blessed. Masande, thank you so much for your contributions, Zako. This episode obviously really touched you, and we really do appreciate you felt the need unqokole nathi in this way. So thank you.
Hey, Fundine, yeah, no, thanks so much. And yeah, I guess because of time also he watches all these episodes. He definitely won't miss this one as well. So yeah, thank you guys for your comments, but also another special shout out to Time Louis Leman. He has Lando, Connor Lando saying it hilwa embovaneni.
And then
Dadala. It's an inside joke between me and my friends.
oh,
Ibe into iti
yeah, embovaneni, yes.
Go to the end. I think it's a song. Go to the end and watch.
Embovaneni.
Yeah.
Khangela.
Oh.
Indlela zayo.
I also only know those 2 lines.
Also, me too.
Vilandini. Ikhona into enovilandini.
Yes, iya embovaneni vilandini. Khangela indlela zayo.
Yeah.
You can fill in the rest.
There we go. Wow. What a tangent. Yeah.
It's you and your Mbovani story, bro. All right. So once again, thank you, Big Zol. That's our dad. Big Zol, man. For
you know?
Not you, senior. Not you,
senior.
Oh, okay.
Zol, man. How are you?
That's half his name.
Hey, my Buddha.
Thank you for making the time to do this. Thank you for taking the time out to do this with us again. And thank you guys for watching as well. Ngosini, we hope you enjoyed this as much as we did. It was cool looking back as well and just hearing what other people had to say.
No, absolutely. Yeah, no, thank you so much for it, guys. Yo.
Thank you so much,
guys.
very guys.
Siyabulela man, buko bene buyi oxygen, you know what it is. Yeah, up until the next episode. Sacela amafleti lapho sithi jovijo.
Don't forget, love each other. Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling
Line.